Okay, sorry this thing got split up into a couple different videos. Alright, it's on, ignition's on, we got fire. I set the temperature down at the control. Now we'll just look for some leaks, make sure that we're not leaking anywhere in particular. These little areas, these little threaded areas, I want to make sure it's all nice, nothing wrong happening. All my solders joints are good. Oh, I hate looking at that. Ugh, I wish they would have let me do it. And voila, nice new hot water tank. Now we have to go upstairs and turn on, it's called burping the lines. We have to burp the lines. While the water is off down here, they get air in the lines upstairs. Now that the hot water is on and it's forced new water through the pipes, we got to go upstairs and turn on the valves, and it makes a loud noise, and we call it burping because it's basically burp, burp, burp. That's how it comes out. Once we do that, hot water will be up and running 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, this is burping the lines. Listen, you'll hear it. Nice, see why they call it burping the line? Perfect. Another job done perfectly by me.